Hi, I'm Andrew from HPi Dyna. Today we're going to be installing one of our stainless steel Dyna exhaust systems on this 2011 Dyna. So check it out. So when you open up your exhaust box, the components you're going to see in it besides the two head pipes and the muffler section are also going to be a muffler clamp, 2 bolts to hang the exhaust bracket onto the transmission, 2 O2 sensor reducers, 2 new race style exhaust gaskets, and 2 new circlips to mount the flanges to the head pipes. So now we're getting ready to install our front head pipe with the kit that comes with it, your exhaust gaskets. We're going to go ahead and insert those into both ports on the heads. We're going to get our circlips out. You will reuse your stock exhaust flanges and then install the circlip on it. All right, so now we've got our head pipes in place with our flanges and circlips. Everything is loose. You can still move everything freely. We just got it sitting there lightly, which is why we also tape everything off, because we don't want to scratch anything. So now we're going to go ahead and I've already loosened up the hardware off the transmission. We're going to remove the back 2 transmission on the bearing housing. We're going to get ready to put our bracket into place. Now we got our exhaust bracket in place, we're going to go ahead and torque our bolts down to the factory spec, 23 to 25 foot-pounds. We're going to go take our muffler section now, put a little anti-seize into the beginning of the collector. It's going to help you out if you ever need to get this thing back off there. Now we'll go ahead and get this slid onto our head pipes. We already got our muffler clamp broke down. So once this is in place and everything is still loose, we're going to go assemble this onto here, and we'll show you the order it's got to go on. Now that we got our muffler section slid onto the head pipes, everything's still loose. We're going to go ahead and get our spring tabs put on. And now we can orient our muffler clamp. So this will all be put together in the box. When you get it apart, you need to spread it out a little bit. So we're going to slide it over this section. This is not holding the muffler onto the head pipes. This is there for stabilization. So we're going to slide this over, rotate it up, so you got it all in your hand like this, and we're going to squeeze it slightly. Now, the bolt will start to go in. Then the bridge between them. Squeeze it with your hands. Get ready to rotate it down. And your half moon piece, the flat, is going to sit on top of your bracket. Okay, so we got everything started. Take all your tape off. Don't need that anymore. Now we're going to start up at the head bolts, and we're going to evenly tighten everything down, work our way back, and we're going to tighten up our muffler clamp. All right, so we got everything lined out. Everything's tight. Everything's lined up nice. We do want to mention that even though this is on a setup and we do not have the forward control on it at the moment because we want to get it out of the way for easy installation, but the forward control will clear this setup just fine, as well as it's set up to work just as well with mid controls. So you won't have anything running into as far as an issue with clearance on the mid control or the forward control. Works out with both setups. Big thing now, get all your fingerprints off of it. Anything you might have touched, wipe it down. Denatured alcohol, glass cleaner, anything you need to use just to get all the oil off of it, because you do not want to burn your fingerprints or grease or anything else into the pipe. Now we got everything installed, wiped down, clean. Let's fire it up, see what it sounds like.